Yes, this is the main damage area. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In last video, I repaired this power supply and I checked that this capacitor was short circuit. It was making direct short circuit link on DC rail. When I replaced this capacitor, this power supply started working normally. Let's see why this capacitor is short circuit. So this capacitor caused to damage the fuse. 450 volt, 270 microfarad, Rubicon, 150 degrees Celsius. Its outer plastic is also cracked. That is overheat sign. If we see its top surface, there is swelling sign. This portion is raised outside. Take care from injuries. Until now, its both electrodes are clean. Yes, this is the damage sign. This is the sparking area. This point. It's dielectric damaged from this point. Both plates were touching here. It was making short circuit here. Yes, this is the main damage area. Why this damaged? It is due to poor quality of punching this terminal with this electrode. That these dots were pressing the dielectric and dielectric leaked from here, made short circuit here. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.